Azizia nebo nchamba chia gikombe kia Ghetto Derby nyuma ya kuura nchamba cha mjini nicho Black Panther. Akiaria minista wa misetho Elias Murega augete thirikari yangabana mutuma igeta na mbere kugwata mbaru michezo. Muthuru Muriuki gatumenyithie.
Ndochina libunene pomachino jwa mubire jwa maguru ajendene mutijo kangangi katika timu ya Azizia na Black Panther ira ijekera ja Ghetto Derby mushetho juju njwe kushire mashabiki jamingi jaja kujona
ango shukuru mashabiki betu nyabara bato sponsaga na baraki nyabomba ko jabaga ita chiringe kana dere entrance totere agia game and support to that toke sikaga
as one way of commemorate fan ikenda nya team hii chomba kwethira chena at least nya fans chago sustain league chiao as we go on.
Muthaji wegoro minister wa michezo na mpimbithi Elias Murega no rari referee athitete uju injire mwe konani ati kinya referee ningugi ira mpimbithi babiri kuthabakia mukira
onira muthego chethia game is more than 10 years. Lakini there are so many things chumbete ku evolve, maybe the new roles ikethro 25-26 ichethre to advance as we go on. So laws of the game at least na pace nye muchetho ni umbete kwethro ireguru
na itokuga congratulations ako chethia mubira agotumira sheria jawoni mbethode again match komo NSL nkomo assess ndona is capable and ago set a very good example ke youths beto na beto bandaka
indi amuna bubu aga mwaka juju ja thirikari ya county bena moroto jo munene jo gutigira tiba kwa maritano itunje mwanya bya mibira ndigera jombo kurankuruki
kwa ito go encourage referees bare upcoming itombeta kwethro as a county government to train it more than 8 referees na this year to train ma coaches especially introductory course mbere to ambaire CAFD ikenda to encourage at least baba inge baraba kwezera bomba inyagotonya na professionalism na pia professionals in different areas na after to train ma coaches to combine go train officials inyabo bombe kwethira pake ben administration skills cha team chia
anandi oromba nikiri kampuni mwanya ndene county Meru nyakaome kwithuri gwata mbaru team ra chumite Meru chuchethera nkathi eguru nikenda bomba kumbana nkuruki
na ya turengiromba dhamini sana sponsors wejendene mubira jwa these local teams cause ogetegera Azizia the Div 1 Black Panther eke Conference League lakini bareja mwe at least tonekera tomba kona some funds to facilitate nonto football is very expensive.
Very many people brands are not willing kana baterede ku support mubira ko tore ya thirikari kinyako na alternative ko kethirwa kama thirikari te kumba nonto ba the constraint of the budget. Let them also look for sponsors for us. Let them encourage anto bombe kuja guto sponsor mubira na jojo ikienda tumba kuita aumbere.
Muthuru Muriuki, Oro TV, Muthuru Kangangi.